Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Willful Kids Fitness Tracker. Hopefully my video will help you with your buying decision. Inside the box you have the fitness tracker, the straps, the operation manual, support contact details and an extra leaflet showing you how to connect the straps and how to charge your fitness tracker. Now let's have a look at the fitness tracker. As you can see, it looks great. It's small and fits nicely on a child's wrist. The watch comes in 4 different colours: black, yellow, blue and pink. I have the yellow version. The battery can last from 7 to 10 days depending on usage. Charging it is really easy. All you need to do is pull out the bottom strap and plug it directly into a USB port on a computer, phone charger or power bank. Full charge requires 2 hours. Now let's look at its capabilities. To turn on or move between screens, tap the icon on the bottom of the screen. The first screen will display the time and battery status. The second screen will show your daily step count. Now, if you press and hold for 2 seconds, you will see the sub-menu. Here you will see your steps, mileage, calories and time taken. The third screen will display the heart rate. You then have 3 activities such as running, walking and cycling, and the last screen is for the stopwatch. You can add more activities to your fitness tracker. I will show you how to do this on the VeryFit app later. Now, to track an activity, select one from the list. Let's say running. Tap and hold the activity. It will count you down and the activity will start. Now you can monitor your steps and calories burnt, your mileage covered and pace, and your heart rate. To stop the activity, tap and hold again. Now let's set up the fitness tracker with the app. First, download and install the VeryFit app on your phone. So go to Play Store or App Store and type VeryFit in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Allow the app to access photos, media and files on your device. Now tap on Start to use. Tick the box to agree on the software usage agreement and policy. Then tap I agree. Allow the app to access your device's location. Now tap Allow for the Bluetooth on your phone to turn on, and the app will start searching for your watch. Your watch will now appear in the list. Select it and your watch will start pairing with your phone. Now tap Finish. Now select your country. Select your gender, date of birth, height, and weight. Then tap Next. You can now register your account. I will select Later. You can now set a goal. For example, I will set my daily steps goal to 15,000 steps. You can also select Message Notification to receive notifications from your social media apps. To do this, you will need to enable notification access. You can also enable Call Reminder. If you enable this option, you will be able to receive notifications when you receive a call on your phone. Now tap Yes. The home page will display all the stats synced with your watch, such as your steps, distance and heart rate. Now tap on Exercise. Here you can start an activity using your phone. You have running, walking, biking, hiking, among other activities. You normally don't need to start an activity from your phone as you can start it from your watch. However, if you want to track your sport route, you will need to take your phone with you and start the activity from your phone because the app relies on the GPS on your phone to track your sports route. Now tap on Device. You can now select different watch faces. Select the face you like, then tap Set as current watch face. Tap on Alarm. Here you can set an alarm on your watch, so tap on the plus icon and select the time, repetition, and the alarm name. Now tap on Health. Here you can set a drinking reminder. All you need to do is enable the reminder and adjust the reminder period. For example, I will set a reminder that starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 6 p.m. with reminder intervals of 60 minutes. This means that every hour between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. I will get a reminder to drink water. You can also set a reminder to move or walk around. This is useful if you want to remind your kids to move to stay fit. Now tap on More Settings. Then tap on Training Mode. Here you can select the activities you want to display on your watch. Just press on the plus icon next to the activity you want to add. For example, I will add hiking and outdoor biking. This should cover most of the things you can do with the Very Fit app. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.